Hello friends, today we are going to bake vanilla cake in the OTG oven. I shall let you know the ingredients, the steps and the OTG settings for baking the vanilla cake. The required ingredients are 200 grams maida, which is all-purpose flour, 200 grams powdered sugar, 200 ml of milk, 2 spoons of butter, 2 eggs, and in the 3 spoons the bottom spoon is half tablespoon baking soda, the middle spoon is 1 tablespoon vanilla essence and the topmost spoon is 1 tablespoon baking powder. So these are all the required ingredients. So let's go ahead and see the next steps. Break 2 eggs into a bowl. Here we first added 1 egg and after that added the second one. It's your choice, you can add both or do it this way. Beat the eggs with an egg beater. Now add powdered sugar and stir well. Keep on adding powdered sugar and maida gradually to make it to a thick paste as shown in the video. As you can see, a thick paste is formed with the eggs, powdered sugar and maida which is mixed well. Now add the baking powder, baking soda and vanilla essence to this thick paste and stir well. Warm the milk in a bowl and once the milk is a bit warm, add butter to it and then stir well till the butter is mixed well with the milk as shown in the video. Add the warm milk mixed with butter to the thick paste and stir well. Keep on adding the milk and butter mixture to the thick paste to form it into a liquid paste so that you can pour this into the cake mold. It should not be a thick paste, make sure to form it as a liquid paste as shown in the video. Now let's preheat the OTG oven. Set the temperature to 180 degrees centigrade, keep it in toast mode and switch it on for 10 minutes. Toast mode is nothing but keep the both bottom and top rods on. While the OTG oven is preheating, take the cake mold, add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. I added sunflower oil here and apply it to the mold properly on all the edges and to the base of the mold. Add a little bit of maida in the cake mold and spread it across the base and edges. This makes sure that once the cake is baked, it doesn't stick to the mold. Now add the liquid paste to the mold and let it rest for some time till the paste settles properly in the cake mold. Now the OTG oven preheating is done. Place the cake mold inside the OTG oven. Make sure you wear mittens as the oven would be pretty hot due to the preheating of the oven. Now leave the temperature at 180 degrees. Leave it in toast mode and set it to 40 minutes. Set the timer to 40 minutes. 180 degrees centigrade, toast mode, that is both the top and bottom heating elements would be on and keep it at 40 minutes. Now 20 minutes is over, so let's see how the cake looks after 20 minutes. We have set the timer to 40 minutes and now 20 minutes is completed. So this is how the cake looks inside the oven after 20 minutes. The cake has rised. So let me reiterate the settings: 180 degrees centigrade, toast mode and 40 minutes timer. In that 20 minutes over, and this is how the cake looks after 20 minutes. This is how the cake looks after 30 minutes in the oven. We have set the timer to 40 and now it is at 10. So 30 minutes is completed and this is how the cake looks after 30 minutes in the oven. Now that the 40 minutes is over, let's take the cake out. Make sure that you wear the mittens as the oven would be pretty hot. So let's take the cake out and insert a fork and check whether the batter sticks to the fork. If the batter sticks to the fork, that means the batter is not completely baked. Keep the mold inside the oven again and switch it on for 10 more minutes with the same settings. If the batter doesn't stick to the fork, that means the cake is completely baked. As you can see, the batter is not sticking to the fork, so our cake is completely baked. Let's take it out. This is how the cake looks. Let the mold rest for a few minutes before taking the cake out of the mold, as the mold is pretty hot. Once the mold is cold enough, just turn the mold upside down and give gentle taps below the mold so that the cake falls into the plate. So now we have removed the cake from the mold and you can see that the cake is pretty much intact. Please do post your queries as comments. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel for further interesting reviews, updates and videos. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.